This is the step-by-step tutorial of Petit Bizoo's favorite stay-home art kits, the strawberry box. In this kit, you will receive all of the supplies needed to assemble your strawberry box, as well as some reference sheets to refer to as you are creating your box. To begin, assemble your strawberry box by taping up the sides with the masking tape provided. Tape all of the sides securely, covering any cracks and holes you may see. Initially start off by taping up all of the walls of the box, and then continue by taping the bottom of the box to the sides. Use generous amounts of tape to cover any cracks and edges from the walls to the bottom of the box. You can begin by painting. Begin by painting the lid of the strawberry box. Once you have fully covered the entire top, you can set that aside to dry. You can now move on to painting the inside of your strawberry box. Refer to your reference sheet to get a general idea of how the ombre is going to look on the inside of your box. Once you have a rough idea of where you're going to paint each section, you can begin by mixing your paints. Take a little bit of white and a little bit of red to create a beautiful pink for the inside of your strawberry. Then take your white paint and paint the middle section of the strawberry. Finally, it is time to paint the rest of the strawberry red. Paint all along the inside walls, and the outside walls of your strawberry box. Setting that aside, now you can return to the lid of your strawberry. Taking some glue, put some dots of glue where you're going to put your seeds. Your seeds are the black sequences provided. Place them over the glue dots. Don't worry, the glue will dry clear. Referring to your leaf practice drawing sheet, draw some leaves on the green construction paper provided. Cut them out, and you are going to attach them to the top of your strawberry. Securely in place. Your strawberry box is now complete. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram for more creative art ideas.